So we put our hands up.
They call me R nasty because my flow's hella nasty. Yeah. Yeah. Just hit you the old
Come on, fish.
Hey, Rick!
Oh, let that shit slide. Dirty? And that, go get that. Go get that. No.
Go get
Rick.
Skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT shit hustler. Chasing dreams since I was 14.
You guys actually believe me?
I'm a real wrestler, but you should fit wrestler.
Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go.